The next tool on our list is our mirror by drawing the axis rather than picking or selecting it. Works exactly the same as the previous one with the pick axis. Once again, we'll go back to our level 1 here. And we can kind of clean up a couple things inside of here. So works very much the same. We select an object or objects, however we select them, doesn't matter. And then we go to mirror by drawing the axis, and then we pick on here. And now all we do is we draw a line. So we can pick an endpoint, we can use our snaps, we can use our shortcut commands for snaps. Basically, you draw the line, pick, and it mirrors it about that. Okay, let's just do an undo back. Again, my copy tool was on. Try it again. Pick these objects, go up here, draw the axis. Okay, my copy tool is on. Let's take it off, and I'll pick a point, who knows where, right here. Click. Again, you can see the angle inside of here. What if we type 75 in right now? It's not going to let us. So any way you want, you pick a point. And again, whenever you're dragging, if you use your shift key, it makes it go straight. Okay, shift key is like your ortho button. Shift key is like F8 in Revit. And you hold it in and it keeps it straight. Pick, it's going to mirror that over and not copy them. Okay, so anytime you want, doesn't matter. Grab some objects using your selection methods. Control button, and then we say mirror by picking a point. Pick that end point over there, go straight across. Use your shift key if you want pick. It's going to mirror those guys over. Once it mirrors them, again, it always leaves them highlighted, and from there you can take them and do whatever you want with them. Now, I'm not sure why that one's showing in a section. Oh, just a graphics problem, I guess. Oh, there's one on top of the other. There's actually two desks there. So, yep, picking on here. Now, this is a good one where I might want to mirror that based on the midpoint of here. So I would say, okay, grab these two guys and say mirror. And then hover over here, and you'll see it'll give me that midpoint, and I go straight up. Boom. Then I know that's going to be dead center in that. Pick on here, delete this guy. Okay. Now I can take this and delete this guy, clean this up. Okay, what happens if I take these guys and this guy and I mirror them and I pick this point and I go straight up, click. Oh, I wanted to mirror that with it. Let's do an undo. Okay, let's just grab all these guys. Mirror by picking my axis. Anywhere on here will do. Straight up, click, zoom out. Okay, two separate walls. Okay, when you do that, if you go in here and say join, oh, they're good. I was just checking to see if they would become one. What if I drag that over? That's not going to do it. Sometimes it converts them to one wall. There, you see how I did that? Okay, so I'm going to undo that back. I did the original mirror and they were separate. Now, I'm going to pull this guy off, and as soon as I play with those grips, it automatically turns that into one wall. Just thought I'd show you that while we were there. Shift, nudge, move these guys out of the way. You know, grab all these guys, and then say mirror. Okay, so when you do your mirror, you want to make sure that all the stuff you're mirroring is completed beforehand. Because then, you know, if you're doing a building that's symmetrical and you know you're going to mirror it, wait till you have half of it all completely done and then mirror it over. But there's other ways of doing that using groups and other things as well. So here's mirroring a floor plan. You can also mirror the entire building in 3D. You can mirror the entire project, or you can also just select objects and mirror those. We'll do a little bonus lesson for you on that one. Again, you can do it in elevation, doesn't matter. We can go down to here and mirror something by picking points over here. Take this wall and say mirror, and then pick an end. Oh, that's the top of a roof there. I don't want to pick on there. Drag it straight up, click. It's going to mirror that over to there. Now, I didn't see where that one went, and that's the side of a rounded, or is that straight roof? I wonder where that went. Went way over here. Let's put it that way. Oh, maybe it's just outside of my crop region here. Is that possible? Oh, there it is right there. Okay, so mirroring, usually it's best to be done in a plan or an elevation view. If you don't have the geometry you want to mirror about, put it in ahead of time. Otherwise, I use reference planes. It's really easy, and it'll save you a lot of time when you have things that are symmetrical.